Hi speakers, welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that in my last video that I will show you the spin rewriter member. I will reveal it to you inside the members area of spin rewriter. My last video is all about how you can get started video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you two more video. There's also about their upsell. The first upsell is all about their VIP membership. The second upsell is about their WordPress plugin. So let's jump into the members area and show you these two upsell what you will get. So just one reminder, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and also to leave the comment if you have any question. And also don't forget to let's jump into the members area. Gold membership.
Hey, it's Aaron here, and I'm excited to see that you're thinking about becoming one of our VIP Gold members. As a member, you'll be treated like royalty, and we'll make sure that you always have an endless supply of unique content. Now, let me show you all 5 benefits. First, being our Gold member gives you 24/7 access to our dedicated team of SEO professionals. They're always on standby to create new spun articles for you. Just give them a keyword like guitar lessons, and they will find the articles for you. They will use Spin Rewriter to spin them for you, and they will deliver the finalized spun articles straight to your email. Our team takes care of finding and spinning up to 50 original articles for you every month, which translates into tens of thousands of spun articles for your blogs. This Gold membership perk number 1 will save you so much time, and it's like having a personal assistant who's always at your beck and call, day and night. Now, as your Gold benefit number 2, speaking of personal assistants, a lot of our Gold members eventually become successful enough that they have a team of people working for them. As a Gold member, you'll be able to set up a limited account for your team members, so you don't have to share your personal password with anyone. Now, while every user gets full access to Spin Rewriter through our online interface, as a Gold member, you'll also get exclusive access to our touch-optimized iPhone and Android apps that bring the power of ENL semantic spinning straight to your phone. This allows you to generate unique content even on the go. As your Gold benefit number 4, as a Gold member, you're also getting access to our priority network of servers for an even faster user experience that lets you enjoy Spin Rewriter even more. And for the final and 5th Gold benefit, while all of our users get great customer support, as a Gold member, you get access to our hands-on VIP support team, whose only goal is to make you super happy. And they'll even provide you with in-depth SEO consulting that's tailored to you at no extra cost. So, these are the 5 benefits that you're getting as one of our exclusive Gold members. Access to our dedicated team of SEO professionals who'll deliver up to 50 spun articles straight to your inbox every month. You'll also be able to set up limited accounts for your assistants. You'll get a mobile app for your iPhone or your Android phone. You'll even get access to our priority servers for even faster spinning. And you'll also be pampered by our VIP support team, who even provide free SEO consulting. Now, Gold membership is usually quite an expensive affair, for obvious reasons. It usually adds $100 to the annual plan. But as part of this current special offer, we've decided to do something very different. Because right now, on this page only, you can get full lifetime Gold membership for as long as you stay with us, for just $47. And if it turns out you don't completely love the extra features, your Gold membership investment is, of course, fully refundable. So if this sounds like a no-brainer to you, just click the orange button below and become one of our VIP Gold members. We can't wait to have you.
Okay, this is all the first upgrade about the Gold membership. This tell you this video I want to tell you what is the benefit when you join the Gold membership. And also the second upsell, this is also very powerful. It's also just for one-time payment. This WordPress plugin. Just please stay with me.
Hey, it's Aaron here, and I'd like to show you how you can use Spin Rewriter to not just create unlimited content, but how to make it run all of your websites automatically as well. You're now in a position where you'll never need to manually create content for any of your websites ever again, and it all comes down to the official Spin Rewriter WordPress plugin. It uses the full power of ENL semantic spinning to do something magical. Let's hop over to the computer, and I'll show you how it will run all of your websites for you. Suppose you've got a WordPress website with 3 posts, and they are 4, 7, and 10 days old. With the Spin Rewriter WordPress plugin installed, you can decide to automatically spin and republish your posts as soon as they reach a certain age, say 12 days. So let's hop into our imaginary time machine and see what happens. After 1 day, your existing posts are now 5, 8, and 11 days old. After another day, your posts are now 6, 9, and 12 days old. And because your oldest post is 12 days old now, it gets automatically spun by Spin Rewriter and republished as a brand new, fresh post. This way, your website is always packed to the brim with fresh and unique content, and Google crawlers go crazy indexing your website, which means you get a far higher chance of getting reliable first-page rankings. Now, if you dig into the settings, you'll see that you can tweak and tune everything exactly the way you want it. You can pick the exact age limit for your posts. You can spin the post titles as well. You can select the post that you don't want to get republished. And of course, you can always switch over to the manual mode for maximum control over your posts. In manual mode, you'll always know what's going to happen, and you'll be able to confirm every new post. Spin Rewriter's WordPress plugin also has another trick up its sleeve. You can give it a list of keywords, and it will go out and find relevant articles, spin them with Spin Rewriter, and publish them as new and unique posts on your website. And of course, you can select just how often you want these new posts to be created for you automatically, from multiple posts a day to just 1 post a month, however you want it. So that's how all of your websites will always be kept full of fresh content automatically by the Spin Rewriter WordPress plugin, without you even having to lift a finger or having to spend any time on this whatsoever. Now, there's another way Spin Rewriter integrates directly into WordPress, and I'm talking about your ability to send freshly spun new posts straight to your websites directly from within your Spin Rewriter account. Let me show you what this looks like. Imagine you've just finished spinning an article with Spin Rewriter, and you want to publish your new unique article on your WordPress website. You can add your own website right from your Spin Rewriter account. You simply enter your WordPress username and password, and your website will instantly appear below your brand new and unique article. Then, you can simply click the Publish a Post button. You can preview the post, you can select one of the categories that you're using inside WordPress, and then schedule the exact time of your post, or, decide to publish your post right away, and click the Publish button. That's it, you're done, and your new unique article has just been posted to your website. So our WordPress plugin will run all of your websites automatically for you and make sure they're always full of new and unique content. And the remote posting feature will let you shoot brand new posts straight to your websites directly from within your Spin Rewriter account with just a click. We're calling these two features together the Spin Rewriter WordPress license. This license will save hours of your time, and it will transform the way Google sees your websites, which will turn into better rankings and more profits. Now, even though the WordPress license usually comes with an annual $100 fee, we're currently offering a special deal for just a single one-time payment. And it's not even going to cost you $100, because right now on this page only, you can get a full lifetime WordPress license for as long as you stay with us for just $47. This even includes all future upgrades to the Spin Rewriter WordPress plugin and to the remote posting feature. And you're also fully covered by our rock-solid money-back guarantee. So if this sounds good to you and you want to run all of your websites automatically without ever having to look for new content ever again, just click the orange button below and you'll make it happen.
Also, this is also another upsell. That's also the WordPress licensed and hop in, and you can see what is the benefit when you get this upsell. And also you can also when you go through when you purchase the Spin Rewriter, they also have this to get WordPress this to get upsell, you can also to go through the WordPress buying process and also to upgrade. And other than that, you can also upgrade inside the members area. This also up to you. But I also to know that if you purchase them and inside the members area through the process, they have a lower they have a price and maybe a cheap, maybe also a difference. But anyway, I also will read to you in the next video. I'm going to show you the members. I will go through the members area. How does it work? And also I also to include my exclusive bonus. If you just to pick up a screen rewriter through my link. So this also that's the end of the this also the end of this video. So just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So as a reminder, and also don't forget to check my description below, and also I included a bonus you can use in the extra. So don't forget to check my description below to grab your bonus, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.